Well, when you think of bowls, cake bowls, you think of strawberry shortcake, and that's what we're going to do for you now. We've prepared some yellow cake mix. We're going to put them in our big 5-inch bowl. Just simply spray it. Pour your cake mix. It rises pretty good, so we fill it a little bit below the line because it rises real good for you. Just pour it right in there and bake it like a normal cake. Do the toothpick test on it, and you're going to absolutely love this when you see the bowl maker from Cook's Choice. Now our cake mix is done. It looks just about perfect. Oh yeah. Nice and perfect. You just turn it upside down, shake just a little bit, and I'll tell you what, the best strawberry shortcake you've ever had. You want them to cool for just a few minutes because your whipped cream and ice cream will melt pretty quick. We're going to wait for just a minute, and then we're going to go ahead and start it. Deep dish 5-inch strawberry shortcake. You're going to absolutely love it. We've made a big bowl here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to fill it with strawberry pie filling. You can fill it with about anything you want to. Whipped cream, fresh strawberries, whatever you want will work. And then we can put some whipped cream right on top. Boy, doesn't that look perfect. And then we'll just put some strawberries on the side and put the big one right where it ought to be. My favorite, angel food cake, fresh berries and ice cream. I'll tell you what, Cook's Choice new Better Baker reversible gourmet bowl maker. You get to use it for breakfast, lunch, supper, snacks, desserts. It just doesn't matter. This thing is so versatile. Take some home today. You're going to absolutely love it. Cook's Choice reversible gourmet bowl maker.